Happy morning, children. Welcome to the mathematics class for 5th standard ICSE. Today we are going to continue the 5th unit. Let us go to the exercise now. In book page number 70, you have a write multiplicative inverse for the following fraction. In checkpoint is there. So we can write that inverse in the book itself. Okay, first one is 2 by 5. The inverse is 5 by 2. Second, 4 by 7. The inverse of this is 7 by 4. Third one is 1 by 2. The inverse is 2 by 1. Fourth one is 6 by 7. Inverse is 7 by 6. Just you take the reciprocal of this number, we can get the inverse. Complete the page number 70. In book page number 72, we have a checkpoint. We'll do it in the CW. First one is divide. So for doing the division, we have to take the reciprocal of the second number, that is inverse of the second number, and make it into multiplication. We know the multiplication already. Using that, we can do the sums. First one is, for example, 7 divided by 1 by 2. The second number is 1 by 2. We can take the reciprocal 2 by 1 and make it into multiplication. Now you can multiply the numerator 7 into 2, 14. Denominator we have only 1. So the answer is 14. Second sum is 6 divided by 2 by 3. The second number is 2 by 3. We can reciprocal it, that is 3 by 2. Make it as a multiplication. Then if any possible is there to cancel, that means make it into lowest form, you can do it. Otherwise you can multiply the numerator and the denominator. Here we can do 6 and the denominator 2. Cancelling, we'll get 3. So the numerator is 3 into 3, 9. Denominator is 1. Third sum is 9 divided by 5 by 6. So second number 5 by 6, make it into 6 by 5 by reciprocaling, and there is no possibility to multiply or cancelling the number. So we can do the multiplication of a numerator 9 6 54 and the denominator is 1 5 5. Fifth sum is 2 by 7 divided by 2. The second number is 2. We can reciprocal it 1 by 2 and cancelling the numerator and denominator by 2 and 2. We'll get the numerator 1 and the denominator 7 into 1, 7. So, sixth sum is 3 by 8 divided by 8. So 8 we can make it into reciprocal 1 by 8 and we cannot able to cancel anymore. So multiply the numerator 3 into 1 3, 8 into 8 64. Seventh one is 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Then the 2 by 3 we can take it into inverse of this and we get 3 by 2. We can cancel the 2 and the numerator we have 3 and the denominator we have 5. Next exercise 5.8 in page number 72. First one is complete the following. Do it in the book itself. To divide by 4 by 5 we can multiply by 5 by 4. Just you can make it in the inverse form of this number. Okay. Dividing by 2 by 3 is the same as multiplied by 3 by 2. And dividing by 7 is the same as a multiply by 1 by 7. Just you can write the inverse of this number. Okay children. Second B Roman letter we can do it in the CW. B Roman letter 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 8. So first thing is we need to do the inverse of the second number, that is 1 by 8 become 8 by 1. Then if possible cases there we can do the cancellation. Here we can do the cancel of 8 and 8 in the numerator and denominator. The final answer is numerator 3 into 1 3, denominator 1 into 1 1. So the answer is 3. Second number is 5 by 9 divided by 1 by 9. The second number we can make it into reciprocal to make it as a multiplication. 1 by 9 has become 9 by 1. We can cancel the 9 and 9. The final answer is numerator 1 into 5 5. Denominator only 1. The answer is 5. Then the third one is 3 by 8 divided by 5 by 8. We can make it into 8 by 5 by inversing that. Then the answer is 5 by 8 and 8 we can cancel. numerator we have 3 and the denominator we have 5. And the next is C Roman letter. Divide and write the lowest term. Same thing as we done in the B Roman letter. 5 divided by 8, 5 by 8. The second number you can take it into inverse form. 8 by 5, and the cancel the numerator and denominator the 5. The answer is 8. Second one is 3 divided by 2 by 3. The second number is 3 by 2 as an inverse. Then no number is possible to cancel. We can multiply the numerator 3 into 3, 9. The denominator is 2. D Roman letter, solve. First one is 1 by 5 meter of a ribbon is needed to make a flower. How many flowers can Shruti make from the 5 meter of a ribbon? Solution. Total length of the ribbon is 5 meter. Length of a ribbon is needed to make a flower is equal to 1 by 5 meter. Therefore, number of flowers can be made is equal to 5 divided by 1 by 5. So, we can take the 1 by 5 into inverse form, 5 by 1. Multiply that 5 into 5, 25, denominator is 1. So, 25 flowers can be made from the 5 ribbons, 5 meter of a ribbon. Next, second sum, 5 1 by 2 kilogram of onion are to be packed in a small bags. If each bag can hold 1 by 4 kilogram, how many bags can Avnith make? That's a question. Solution is total weight of the onion packed is 5 1 by 2 kilogram. Weight of the onion in one bag is equal to 1 by 4 kilogram. Therefore, number of bags packed is equal to 5 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. 5 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Make it into simple fraction. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Numerator 11 by 2. And take the inverse of the 4 by 1. Now you can cancel 2 and 4. We have a numerator 11 multiplied by 2, that is 22. Denominator no number is there, 1. So 22 bags can be made. Next, third sum, the last final question in this exercise is how many pieces of 1 by 4 meter can Shreya cut from the tape of a length 6 1 by 2 meter. Total length of the tape is 6 1 by 2 meter. Length of each piece is 1 by 4 meter. Therefore, number of pieces of tape is equal to 6 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. The first one is 6 1 by 2 is a mixed fraction. Make it into simple fraction. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 2. And the second number is take it into reciprocal. 4 by 1 become 1 by 4. 1 by 4 become 4 by 1. And you can cancel the numerator and the denominator now. We will get 13 into 2. 13 2s are 26 pieces. That's it, children. We completed this unit as well as this exercise. So, we'll see the new unit in the next section onwards. Thank you, children.